Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Today in the kitchen, I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious seasoned pumpkin rice with smoked turkey. This is perfect for a weeknight dinner. And to get started, here I have the turkey already prepped. I'll show you guys how I did it in just a minute. I have some long grain basmati rice. I have half turkey broth, half chicken broth. Reason for that is because I had some chicken broth sitting in the fridge and I wanted to get rid of it, so I'm using it up. And I used half of the turkey broth that I pressure the turkey in. I also have here some coconut milk. I'll be using some bell peppers. I have my pumpkin here, as well as some herbs. I have one habanero pepper. I have some scallions, parsley, thyme, garlic, onions. For the seasonings, I'll be using some mushroom seasoning, bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, and a little bit of butter. Let's jump right in. So what I did was pressure my turkey leg for about 25 minutes in my Instant Pot. I add about 2 cups of water and I pressure that for 25 minutes. To a preheated pot, I did add a bit of oil, and now I'll go in with that butter, allow it to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with our aromatics and our herbs. We'll mix really well and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, you want to go in with your smoked turkey and your pumpkin. As you can see, I shredded the turkey and I grated my pumpkin. Reason for that is because basmati rice cooks super fast and I want to ensure that the pumpkin melts nicely to give that rice the flavor that it needs from the pumpkin. So that's why I grated the pumpkin, because that will ensure that it cooks fast along with the rice. Now, if you're using brown rice or parboiled rice, those take longer to cook. You probably could just dice your pumpkin. You don't need to grate it. But because I'm using this kind of rice, that's why I grated the pumpkin. So this has been going for about 3 minutes. Next, you want to add your coconut milk and the broth. Now, like I said, I'm using the 2 sets of broth, chicken and turkey, but you don't have to use both. You can just use one. Either use the broth that you pressured your turkey leg in, or you can use chicken broth. We will also add the seasonings here to add flavor and taste. This is the part where you want to taste, to make sure that everything is, the way that you like it. You can also use your own seasonings. It don't have to be the ones I'm using. We will cover this and allow it to come up to a simmer. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes before we add the rice. After about 5 minutes, you want to go in with your washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. You want to get rid of most of that starch so that you have a nice fluffy, seasoned rice here. So once we add the rice, you want to give it a good toss. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Then we'll add our thyme and that 1 habanero pepper to add flavor. Another depth of flavor, I should say. And then we will cover this and allow it to simmer on low heat. You want it to cook on low heat because you don't want the liquid to dry out super fast and the rice is still hard. So you want to cook this on low heat until all of the liquid evaporates. And then I'll show you guys the last step. So in about 20 minutes, all your liquid should evaporate and the rice should be looking like this. What you want to do is go in there and just stir it up. Stir the rice that's at the top towards the bottom and allow the ones that's at the bottom to come up to the top, because the rice will not be completed as yet. So what you want to do is turn your heat off now and you want to cover this and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes on that heat. If you have an electric stove like mine, you can turn the heat off. If not, you can leave your heat on low and let this sit there for about 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up and you remove that cover, you can go ahead and fluff that rice up. By then, the rice should be perfectly cooked. And that's it, guys. We can get ready to serve dinner. This is a one-pot meal and it's absolutely delicious. I did serve it up with a fresh broccoli salad and it was delicious. You guys know I like my vegetables on the side. I wish I had some ripe plantains to go with that, but I guess next time. This is just the perfect weeknight dinner. It's quick, easy, and simple. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.